I stole Lamer's Razer. And I think we take those and put those on here.
They're not gonna fit.
They're not, but we have to figure out what the bolt pattern is there and make them fit.
That's not how that works.
Why? It's how it worked for that. They weren't supposed to fit on there.
Oh, like you just want to do it in general, like not right now?
Correct.
Oh, I think like right now. I'm like, you can't just bolt shit up.
No, but I'm going to take them off when we take them off, and I want to set them up next to it to see how goofy this thing's going to look. It's like a brand new 2022 Razer 1000.
It's not going to look goofy at all. Everyone's putting wide boys.
Huh?
Everyone's putting wide boys on these.
On street tires? Really? Well, then it might be cool.
It was sweet.
Beep. I wish I had my mullet.
We got toilet paper, but no lug socket. We can wipe our ass, but not change our wheels.
Yeah, there she is.
The furthest back corner.
So sorry.
Yeah, or 10.
And they weigh a quarter of the weight.
Tell you gotta put the other ones on. There's like 25 on each wheel. Interesting. My socket doesn't even fit in there. Yeah, there's literally not a socket that'll fit in there.
It's also a $700 socket set, so I sure hope it works.
The whole getting torque to spec thing is not happening. Yeah, buddy.
Dude, this thing is actually gonna be so sick. This thing's gonna be.
Well, this thing swings shitties in the field now, though. Because that's exactly what we're doing without him knowing.
Yeah.
Oh God. He's never leaving the keys here again.
Oh my God. It definitely doesn't like it.
I'd say it handles them a lot better than the Ridgeline did.
Love my life. These are my church pants.
My God, it's all over the f***ing camera.
Oh yeah. She's a tough cookie.
Oh my God.
Hold on, yeah. You want to go see it?
Oh my God.
It's pretty good.
What did you guys do?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Your side-by-side officially looks better than your truck.
I thought it was going to be way dirtier. From the way you look, I thought this thing was going to be covered. This will be cleanable away tomorrow.
This is just,
I actually don't hate it.
you want us to put them on the Mini next? They look good on the Mini.
I don't think they would fit.
Kind of the same thing.
I don't think they'd fit.
Well, my work here is done.
I honestly thought it was going to be way worse when you walked up looking like that.
So, well, I was getting the shot, and then
Yeah.
he comes whipping around, and I saw it, and I just accepted my fate, and I just held it.
Now you gotta take it for a
Let's
spin.
get a ring.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Chris,
like
take
the
her for a
girls
ride.
in
No tight turns.
No, does it?
It doesn't run,
Rear
dude.
end is not thrilled. Look at that, already picking up chicks.
It's the wheels, man.
All right.
No longer for function. This is for form. It's form power sports.
put the wheels on for you, lamers. We did what we said we would do. Junior just went and picked up his brand new 2022 Bronco down in Fond du Lac. He's on his way back. We're gonna take Banker's old 26x14s that he took off his Silverado and try to slap them on the bone stock 2022 Bronco that randomly has the same bolt pattern now as a Chevy. And we're gonna see if it'll turn. Okay. What's happening?
I don't know.
No. Yeah, the crash bars can be physically unbolted versus have to cut them out on both the front and the rear. Junior, you had a running Bronco for 45 minutes.
We'll grab a jack stand before this thing falls over.
Did you just get it today?
Yeah, I literally just got back with it.
Are you excited to take the doors off?
I forgot I can do that. Robert out! Go slow.
That's what my plan is here.
I don't know. I think you should drive it home like this.
Look how convenient that is. What are you doing? That just comes off and like, yeah. Paybacks the with the saws out like you did to mine.
Whole thing move!
You can get you to work faster.
I can't get these on. No, I didn't want to strip them out. He just sent them home. Yeah.
Right there, you're cut.
One full turn.
Let's go!
Well, one full turn, I mean, you'd be ripping lugs off. I think it looks good. Yeah. So to answer the question, it does not fit. 26x14s do not fit on a 2022 stock Bronco.
Heart in hand, but baby, 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 heart in hand, heart in hand.
Oh, this is for the Silverado HD Hybrid. Says right on.
Oh, so those headlights are a one-piece headlight?
Take the whole
Interesting.
front of the truck off. Because it's broken again.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Oh my god, I was gonna say sell it.
YouTube mechanic.
I'd rather
You're
watch
so mad
how
at me.
somebody else did this before I f*** it up.
Banker's so excited. That is some weird GM engineering right there.
That's so it can snap off when it's 30 below and
Yeah,
you can't get your
right.
hood open.
You have to take off this piece and that piece,
So this comes off so that I can get to the bolts for the grill, and then the grill comes off.
and the grill and this piece are combined.
Yeah, this is all one.
You gotta give her a good tug. Ooh. Feedback on how the Morimoto install's going so far.
I haven't gotten to the Morimoto part yet. Just made me drop a clip.
I feel like this front is growing on me. I hated it at first. I hate it a lot less now.
Oh, look at that.
Souvenir.
Oh yeah, there's a missing part.
Figuring it out there, guy?
I mean, I know what I have to do, the clip's just not cooperating.
You just gotta unplug it.
Have at her.
Hey, you got one.
This man says what like he doesn't know what we're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Old. New.
What, you like that?
OEM. Morimoto.
How are there so many brackets on these headlights?
What is the fuse for?
I would assume like the,
Running light or something?
if it's got like the
Oh, it's like sequential or something?
sequential, yeah.
Oh. Is the bottom one the bright? Oh, yeah.
It wants me to start it to turn the blinker on.
Oh.
So we'll put that later.
Well, do you make sure the blink works before you put it all back together and realize that something's not working?
Yeah, can I get the other headlight in?
I suppose. Okay, so that pulls out of the original headlights.
Yep.
This just makes connection with the headlight.
So like
to-
it's grounded internally, like there's a metal collar in there.
Okay, so what you need to do with these then is
So then this has a little plug.
little diddly do.
I imagine this would be so much easier with instructions, Junior.
Oops. And that just plugs into that's a harness on the back of the headlights.
Yep. Well, now we can't monetize this video.
Turn this one on.
I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no bulbs in it.
Well, I have literally no idea what this is for then, but whatever.
Unplug and see what it does.
It was unplugged.
Oh. Am I filming you messing up? Because you're doing great.
Those go in the fender liners.
Oh, Jesus. There are that many of them?
Yeah. It does not like coming apart.
You know, I was hoping to get a cool clip of you closing the hood without holding a headlight like a baby in your other arm. But, I'll take what I can get.
This is like a toddler, so this is a baby.
Oh, okay. Well, what are your thoughts on those headlights? Hi, Brad. The people want to see more of you. Say hi.
Hello.
I like them. I'm a big fan of the factory headlights, so I think they're a great upgrade for the halogens. Maybe kind of a side-by-side with the factory LED headlights. With the projectors in there, I'm guessing the output's probably going to be better, maybe not so bright for oncoming traffic. Yeah, get down here at the bottom one's bright as shit too.
Oh, yeah, okay.
They fit pretty well. There's a little bit of pushing that needed to happen to get everything to line up, but nothing crazy. Plug and play once you figure out that they have those goofy bulbs in them.
Yeah, it turns out you need to put blinker bulbs in, and then it works. And fluid. Fluid in the bulb.
So, install, success. Now Gary doesn't have to put a watermark in.
You're a trendsetter.